So this is the assignment that's going to be for chapter 1. And I guess I'll just start by going off to where it is. It's going to be in the content section. It's going to be in the content section for this week. And if you look, yeah, that's right. I'm sorry, I'm getting confused a little bit as to, I got chapter 1, and then there's going to be assignment 1. There'll be another video with chapter 2, and that'll be assignment 2. So if we look at chapter 1 assignment, we just click on it, and hopefully it renders reasonably well. So the strategy I've got with all these assignments, I mean, these are right out of the book, and I'm looking really for you guys to sort of do, to create at the end of this course, you should have 12 pretty high class deliverables that you can then use to review for any sort of future interviews or whatever you have coming up, because this course does cover a whole bunch of things. And what I'd like to imagine is that you're not going to be able, I don't imagine you're going to go back and read the book as much in preparation for interviews, but I'm trying to basically give you sort of that kind of stuff. So that's why I've done this approach. So you got basically the review questions, and they're all straight textbook regurgitations. You bet that there's probably going to be something in there saying systems analyst acts as a translator because, and so you'll just find the answer there. And then for the critical thinking part, I've got this sort of question here, which is kind of relying on you to do, as I say, a little bit of critical thinking. So your critical thinking could be like a paragraph. It could be, eventually some of these things will probably require diagrams. Most of these are not really diagrammable in this case, so you're good to go. And that was kind of it for this particular assignment. And of course, we're going to want that assignment in the Dropbox C1 by the end of February. And then the other thing, too, that goes along with that is that every chapter, of course, will have a quiz. And so here's chapter 1 quiz, also due on the 24th. And I think, and I bet you I probably don't have them loaded, but we also, okay. So at the end of chapters 1 and chapter 2, usually I bundle these together, but of course there'll be discussion questions too. And I don't like discussion questions. As a student, I didn't like doing them. As an instructor, I don't like assigning them. I keep them going for this course especially. Really, it's the only one I've kept it going for because it is an important skill. And so I've asked you guys to comment on 5 and reply at least to 5 of these. This will be way easier to do if you don't wait until the end. I do notice in this case, I will probably not have it closed on the 3rd of February. I'll probably have it closed on the 24th. But my advice is not to wait till then, right? I mean, basically, as you read chapter 1, you might want to look through here and say, well, I wonder which one of these, whether they have to do with chapter 1 or not, it's not as relevant. Just can you actually add some intelligent content, and then maybe come back a little bit later and see if you can reply to some. So that's kind of it. I see you guys are doing well in the introductions, so good. All right, so the next video that's going to come out will likely be about chapter 2.